Hey guys, we're going to do another thing with our shapes today. We're going to do a quick review of our 2D shapes, which are flat. Then we're going to talk about our 3D shapes, which are shapes that we can hold and grab onto. So we'll talk about these in just a minute, okay? So let's do a quick review of our shapes. The 2D, remember 2D is flat, okay? These are flat on the paper. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Remember that this is a triangle. It has 3 sides, 3 corners, okay? Then we have a rhombus or a diamond, and it's kind of like a sideways square, but it has 4 sides and 4 corners, okay? And that corner is the point. All right, and then we have a circle, which goes all the way around, and it has 1 side, and it just keeps going and going and going and going. All right, and then we have a oval, and an oval is a long circle, and it has 1 side, and it just keeps going around and around and around too. And it has no corners. There's no points on it. Remember, a corner is a point, okay? And then this is a square, and remember, a square has 4 sides, 4 corners, but it's all the same. The square is all the same. Then we have a rectangle. A rectangle also has the 4 sides and 4 corners, but it has 1 long, 1 short. Remember that? 1 long, 1 short. Okay, so that is our quick review on our 2D shapes because they're flat. So I'm going to get rid of our 2D shapes and I'm going to bring out our 3D shapes. These are the shapes that we can hold and grab onto. You guys have a lot of things in your house that are 3D shapes, like a marker would match a cylinder because it's round and long like this, okay? So we're going to learn a lot about these 3D shapes. This first one here, it looks like a whole bunch of squares. And that is a good thing that you know that this is a square because it's all the same, right? But this is called a cube, like an ice cube. So think about that. When you see this cube, you think about an ice cube. You can grab it. And then the special thing about a cube is that it has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, hold on. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's actually 6 sides, not 8. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm thinking. My brain. Oh my gosh. So a cube has 6 sides, okay? So a dice looks like this. Ice cube, okay? So this is a cube, and you can see how I can grab it. So that's how you know it's 3D, because I can grab it. All right, this one is fun. It's like a ball, okay? And this is called a sphere. Okay, so one like there it goes. Bye, sphere. So a ball is a sphere, okay? So that's a sphere, and it just ran away from me. So we're just gonna leave him over there. All right, so that's a sphere. This one is called a cylinder, okay? It's almost like a sphere, and it can roll like a sphere, but it's not all the way around. It has 3 sides. Here's 1, here's 2, and that one that goes all the way around, that's 3. So it has 3 sides, okay? Whereas a sphere just has all the way around, so it only has that 1 side. That's all it does. So this is a cylinder, okay? Cylinder. So we have cube, cylinder, sphere. And then this one is a cone. And you guys know what a cone is? A traffic cone, an ice cream cone. So this is a cone. It has 1 flat side and 1 point, 1 corner, and then it's flat all the way around. So this is called a cone. So let's do that again. So we have a cube, we have a cylinder, and we have a cone, and then we have our sphere all the way out there. Oh, zoom in sphere, zoom out sphere. So there's our sphere, okay? So what we're going to do today, guys, is you're going to get this paper right here. It's 7.1, okay, and it's in your math packet. You can print it out, or Mommy and Daddy already got it in your little math packet when they came and picked it up. And this right here is our sphere, okay? That's our sphere. This is a cylinder, this is our cube, and this is our cone, okay? You see how it kind of matches? There's our cone. I can lay it on the side where you guys can kind of see it. See? Oh, it's rolling around. All right, and then here's our cylinder, and we can lay it to the side just like they have it in theirs, and we can turn it just to make it match. And then we have a cube, okay, and you guys can see that. And then our sphere is still over there. And so this one would be the sphere. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at this and you're going to color the shapes that match. Okay, so with our sphere, right now, would a beach ball match our sphere? Yes, it does match. So I'm going to color my beach ball. All right, so let's color that beach ball in. So now the beach ball matches the sphere, okay? Oh my gosh, does a pyramid match the sphere? It does not look the same, so we cannot color that one, okay? You can leave it blank if you want to, okay? Or you can cross it off because it doesn't match. All right, what about a soccer ball? Would a soccer ball match a sphere? I think it would, because a soccer ball is a ball and a sphere is a ball shape. So we're going to go ahead and color our sphere, okay? So remember that this is called a sphere. So when you got a ball, it's a sphere, okay? Now I want you to go ahead and look at this one. This one is our cylinder. So which one of these shapes would match the cylinder? I'll give you a couple seconds to color which one you think matches the cylinder. So color the shapes that match the cylinder for me. All right, I hope you colored this one here and this one here. Those are cylinders because they're long, okay, with the two circle sides. So that is a cylinder. All right, I want you to go ahead and look at the cubes. I want you to color which ones would match the cube. What would match the cube? Well, guys, I hope you colored this one and you colored the ice cube. This one's a Rubik's Cube. This is the ice cube. So I hope you colored those two because those two are both cubes, okay? So that's a cube. So remember, sphere, cylinder, cube. The last one is our cone. Go ahead and color which pictures you think matches the cone. All right, I hope you colored the traffic cone and the party hat. So these two are also cones, okay? So we have the sphere, cylinder, cube, cone. All right, so sphere, cylinder, cube, cone. Good job, guys, practicing with your 3D shapes. Remember, 3D is something that we can grab, okay? I can grab this shape. 2D is flat. I can't really grab that. I can grab the card, but I can't grab the shape off the card, okay? So 2D, 3D, 2D, 3D. I hope you guys had fun practicing with your cone, your cube, your cylinder, your sphere, and those are 3D shapes. So I will talk to you later, guys, about other things. If you want to, you can go ahead and do the back of your paper, and this just makes 10, and this just is extra practice to make 10. Also, you can go ahead and do this and give me the missing numbers. So you're going to go ahead and count. So there's 3. Uh-oh, I'm missing a number here. Oh, let's go ahead and put the number 4. And then there's 5, 6. What's missing? 7. What comes after 7? 8. Okay, so on this paper here, you're going to go ahead and do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got to get those missing numbers for me, okay? So this one you would start at 5, 6, 9, okay? So fill in your missing numbers. And don't forget to take a picture of something so that way I can see that you're doing your work and put it on your slides. So after you're done with this, you can do this on the back if you want to. You don't have to. It's up to you. And then you can do this one for me, okay? Practice missing numbers because we got to know those numbers, guys. So keep up the good work, and I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.